there was the need and conversation for a larger kitchen space because the old kitchen was really poorly laid out and really super small.
This is the kitchen. You can see lake right out there.
We actually just bumped the kitchen out 2 feet, enough to turn what was the back of cabinets into now the front of cabinets. Originally, actually, we brought the kitchen out like 8 feet, so there was really no deck here at all. It was just this big, large kitchen. So we were nervous to add that kitchen bump out and then lose that kind of bonus dining space.
And this will be an eat-in deck. You can see the lake right there, through there. And this is the kitchen right here. It actually got a little bit of a bump out, so it's slightly bigger.
We ended up just scaling it back, so it was enough to make that space that's in there much more functional for more than one person, because it was a one-person kitchen before, and now 3 people can be in there and function okay. Then that also allowed us to bring that upper balcony out to create the roof structure over that, and then also a little sheltered entrance at the front door. The detail that we have with the big steel bracket on that side, a modified version of it there, so when you're sitting up on that balcony, your view is of the lake, not just off to the west. The original design had the cedar shakes wrapping up and around the dormer. So we maintain that. In fact, actually, like this view from right here of this roof plane and that up into the dormer is very, very close to what it was. Staring at it from this side, it looks like the old house. The more you come around, the more it exposes itself to like the changes. So.